Welcome back to Wicked F150. Let's start this video with a semi-cold start, about an hour. Man, I don't care what anybody says, I love it. I know it's no V8, I'm fully aware of that. I think it sounds great for a V6. Now for the video. Help if I unlocked it. The floor mats. So I've gotten a couple questions on it, and I finally got the links for the floor mats. So let's go ahead and do the video. These are the floor mats. Divine Shield, that's who they are from, the company that makes them. I've had these about a week and a half, so I've had time to test them out, see how I like them personally through time before I've done this video, which is definitely nice. And I will say that I do really like these floor mats. I think they look amazing. They do have complete coverage of your carpet, better than any hard rubber floor mats, WeatherTech, Husky, anything like that. They do cover more than any of those, which is definitely a good thing. And this particular pattern matches what I plan to do with the entire interior of this truck, so that definitely worked out. So they look amazing. You can get 3 different colors. You can have the white stitching here, brown stitching, or all black. But the all black is not the diamond pattern. It's a square pattern, which is the only reason I didn't choose black, because I was worried about the white stitching getting dirty and stuff like that, getting stained, and not being able to get it out from, rain, mud, snow come winter, anything like that. But I have had these, like I said, about a week and a half, and you can see the dirt from where my foot goes above this mat, and the stitching is still fine. It's still white. There's no staining, nothing like that. So I'm hoping they keep holding up this well. But like I said, come winter, we'll see how it goes. If you guys would like a review come winter to see how it goes, come back to the video, leave a comment, and I'll go ahead and make one for you guys. But back to these mats themselves. It is actually 2 mats. You get the first bottom one, the diamond leather pattern. It is leather. You get that one, and then this top one here. And it connects there, right next to your factory ones. And of course you have the circles that just kind of hold it in place there. And then this top one connects there, both sides. F150 here, of course, on the bottom too, because you can just purchase the bottom layer and not both sets. The bottom layer by itself, of course, is cheaper than both sets, which is one of 2 complaints I have with these. I only have 2, and the price is 1. So with that, the price of both sets is $299. You can see that with the link that I put in it. I will put in the description below. $299. So I told him that that's too high. Don't get me wrong, these are amazing mats. I am happy with them, and I probably will never change them out. They are great mats. But $299 for floor mats, I think, is just crazy. WeatherTech's $199. Husky's $179 for the full set, of course. So I just don't think that's in the ballpark. Now, if you just get the one set, it's $199. If you just get the bottom leather. So, and you're only getting one set with WeatherTech or Husky, so I get where they're at, because you technically are getting 2, but I just don't know. $225, $250 for both of them. Good price. Definitely a good price, because you got to remember that it is way more coverage than any of the hard rubber ones, and it is leather. Obviously, that's going to be more expensive. Then the only other complaint I have is how they fasten on the sides, because like I said, it's complete coverage, the whole thing. So the connectors are these little plastic pieces right here. It has them around the whole edge. You can see them, the whole driver, passenger, rear, the whole edge, so you can secure them. But I feel that they need to be secured a little bit better than just these plastic little tabs. It does go in a full circle, and you just pull it up and click it up underneath your plastic trim the whole way around the edge. but it can also just pull right out. I've actually done it to where my foot slipped on here and I caught this and pulled it out. Just this edge piece, of course, but I pulled it out. And that to me, they need a different fastener right there to secure it a little bit better. But those are my only two complaints. Other than that, these things are great. Like I said, full coverage. They look amazing. They make the truck look a lot, lack of a better word, fancier. It gives it more of a luxurious look. And like I said, it will match my future plans for the interior. And then the back, like I said, full coverage the whole way. This here is your biggest set of carpet that is not covered. And it's behind the seat. So I mean, things of course can still get there, back there, dust and stuff like that, but yeah, you can't even get a vacuum back there, so there's no point in it. And then right here in between the front seats and the console, it's the only other spot of carpet. The back goes the whole way under, the front goes the whole way under, both sides. It goes the whole way to meet the front and the back, and the whole way up. And it does, of course, go the whole way back to your seat brackets back here for your little factory storage box. So they are very nice. It is full coverage. I like them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys do as well. Like I said, the link will be in the description. I hope you guys have a great evening. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.